going on? That is big. Pray for everybody that was in that car. Car toasted though. What is good, YouTube? It's your boy Jones and 8 back with another banger for y'all, man. Make sure y'all subscribe to the channel. Jump over to Instagram and follow me on my main page, man. We got a bunch of bangers coming for y'all. Tune in. What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Jones and 8, yo. And I'm riding, and I literally see a car on fire. I don't know if y'all can see that shit, but that shit is crazy. I was going to get me something to eat, and I think the police behind me and shit. But that shit really going crazy. Oh, ain't nobody in that shit, yo. That shit going crazy. That's OD. That's crazy, yo. I wanna ride back past. I'ma ride back past one more time before 12 get there and shut it down. That shit is OD. Yeah, let's hurry up and get the hell away. That shit going crazy. That's crazy. I had to get that on camera, yo. And 12 way back here. I don't see no people over there. I hope they good. Dang! That shit was OD. I gotta go and get me something to eat right quick, gang. So, I think they in the wrong spot. What y'all doing down here? They need to go back down that way. What the hell going on right here? Damn! That nigga hit. What the fuck going on out here? What the hell they was? I don't know what the hell going on. I don't even think I'm gonna be able to go back that way. These niggas driving crazy tonight. Lord, let me go get this food, man. I'll be right back. Yeah, I'm getting nasty ass McDonald's.
Thanks, cheers to McDonald's. 1 moment, please.
Alright. That shit is crazy. That fucking car was on fire.
Hi, welcome to McDonald's. What are you using your order today?
I got a pickup order. It's a
pickup order?
Yeah, it's a mobile order. It's TV78.
Alright, it's got the first one out.
Alright, thanks, bro. Alright, thanks, bro. You too. Yo, y'all think they still out there? I don't know how many minutes it's been, but I don't know. I don't think them police know that the car was down there on fire. That shit was engulfed in flames and looked like it was gonna blow. I wish I would have rolled the window down. If it's still there when I ride back past, I'm gonna roll the window down so we can get a better view. But gosh almighty, I hope whoever was in that shit got out. That's the crazy part. Gosh almighty. Now I don't even think I can go out that way. No alternative route to get me through there. Let's try to get around there, man. Pray for everybody that was in that car. We don't wish that on nobody, gang. I hope they got out of there safe. Hope they seen it, flame or whatever was coming. Smelt it coming. And then got out of there safe. That's crazy. I wasn't even gonna make no content today. But that right there was just crazy. Like, for a minute, I ain't even believe it. I did not believe that shit was really there. I thought I was tripping. I'm finna go see if they still there or not. Cooling in the SRT tonight too, man. Ain't no crazy. No crazy driving or nothing. I'm really about to go lay it down. It's already my bedtime. It's 8:40. I gotta get up and go to work at 4:45 and shit. Let's see if I can get through here. Oh, that thing can't blow up or nothing. Open your punk ass gate. You know it's like 50 speed bumps out here. They big ass speed bumps too. Boom. Bluetooth Toronto. I fucked the same hoe as Ben. Oh, I didn't even see that one, yo. See? Just fucking invisible. Shit ain't got no fucking warning lights, no nothing. Buddy, I used to fuck with. Bitch. I used to stay out here, man. I'm ready to get the fuck out of here already. Fucking speed bumps. Unnecessary. Gosh almighty. Alright, let's see if they still out here. Put this shit up. Let's see if 12 showed up. Yeah, 12 down there now. Let's see if they got the flame out, gang. It look like it. I don't see no type of fire going on no more. They got that shit out fast as fuck. God damn, look like the people right there on the side. They got that shit out fast as fuck. Car toasted though. That's crazy. People over there. Car is toasted. That shit OD. Fried. At least they got it out though, man. Don't look like nobody was hurt. That's a good thing. Yeah, so we out, gang. That's all we had to do was report y'all that news. Ah!